Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today, I want to share with you about a really cool, unique roller called the DoubleUp roller. How cool is this? I started seeing video after video on this, and I thought this is one roller I wish I've had the opportunity to use with many of my workouts or after hiking. I used to ride a stand-up bike, and I wish I had this years ago, and this is really cool. It does the full body, the legs, the buttocks, the arms, and it's really well made. And I reached out to the company, connected with Marcus, the owner and inventor, and he was kind enough to send this to me, and I love it. And for me, I have lower back issues, so this makes it easier to use where I can get to my calves. I don't have to lean over. I don't have to lay on the floor. I could just do this sitting on the couch. I could just put my legs up there like this and then start working those muscles, so which is great. And then again, you could do the arms, and I'll show you a few different ways that you can use it. Now, there are a few different options available, and I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. And Marcus set me up with a discount code that you can take advantage of. So I'll put all that there, and I look forward to seeing other people's comments, but people just seem to really love it. He's done a really great job with what he's put together. So this particular package I'm sharing with you is called the Performance Package, the Performance Kit. So it comes with the unit, it comes with these two rollers. These are medium rollers as far as firmness. And it does show you that there, so they're smooth. And then also, by the way, it comes with this bag, which is, how nice is that? Everything fits right in there, so you can take that on the go. You then have another roller. This is the smooth, soft roller. And so you can go if you want something softer. You then have the ribbed. This is more firm. This is another great way to go. And then you also have the bumpy. So you have options, and you'll see you can adjust this quickly and easily to focus from one side to the other side of the body, which is cool. And then you got the quick start guide. As you can see, there are a number of different ways that you can use this. There are videos which you can access as well, which will help you. And then on the back, there's more information. The unit weighs in around 4 pounds. It's made of welded steel and aluminum frame, and they also really stand behind the product. So they have a 60-day risk-free trial, so high reward, little to no risk, and a 2-year warranty, so you can't beat that. Now, they do have these, this is a rubberized material, so the grip works well, and you could, again, adjust when you go from one side to the other. So what's really cool is how he designed this for quick change of the roller. So you press a button in, you could swap one out, pop one on, and it's in place just like that. Or you could swap this one off if you want medium or you want something softer, then you can do that. So, which is great. Now, what you probably want to do just to get started is just go with the standard, the medium firmness, and you could start working, start your calves, and you could just start turning. Now, what's nice is you control the pressure as you are working your calves, and also being that it's this material with the shin, I don't feel the pain that you might otherwise feel. And then you could come up here and you could do the quads, you could do the hammies, and you could really turn. So after you are done with running and you're really sore, this is a great product to just take out. It's going to be easier than using that roller, and you're good to go. Now, if you really want to beef it up, you could, as I mentioned, you could just put one of the other rollers on. And what's nice is you can, so if I wanted to have the inside of my leg here with the ribbed, you can just do that. And then what's nice is you could just swap this and then do the inside of your legs that way as well. So it makes it very easily. Again, just a quick swap, and you can do that for both legs or whatever body part that you may want to do that quickly and easily. Now, One of the other nice things, I'm just gonna put this one on. So easily, again, you could do your legs. You can also massage your feet too, which is nice. So if your feet are sore, you come home, you just get your feet crossed over like this, and then you just, again, just switch your feet over and massage your feet. Get the top of your foot and the bottom, feels great. And again, you could swap and use that roller. So if I wanted to, give myself a little bit of a nicer massage on the bottom, that feels good. You know, you get that bumpy, and that really could get in there with the foot, and you can control how tight you want it to be. Next up, we'll talk about is the buttocks, which is nice. So you can work the glutes in like this, and you can, again, adjust how firm you want to make it, how tight you want to make it, and you could easily just roll it. Now, another way, as I mentioned, again, is you have your legs, your buttocks, and your arms. So what you could do is you could start with your wrist and just go in and out, and you can control how tight you want it to be. So if you're having pain in your wrist or your hand, you could start there as well. And then you could see here where it shows you, you could then use this for your bis and tris. So you can really work your arms, turning your arms as you're using it, and it feels so good. So you really can customize how you want to massage your body, and it will feel so good. Great product. I think it's well worth the money. I find it's so much easier to use this than a traditional roller. Again, not having to put strain on your back. You're getting the full body workout. You got these rollers, and I love how easily that you can just, just swap these out with the push of that button, release these, put them back in, and you're good to go. So once you're done and you want to put this away, you just put the rollers in the pocket. Nice big pockets that you could fit in there. This one goes in here. What you want to do is, while this could be straight like these together, you just fold this over like this. You put this in the bag on the bottom there. This closes up like that, and you are done. And now you could take it on the go with you for your post-recovery, and you can give yourself a good massage with the DoubleUp roller. So check it out today. If you have any questions, let me know, but it's definitely worth the money, well made. The company stands behind the product, and I'm really looking forward to really getting a lot of use out of this. So have a great day, stay pain-free, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.